subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi is reportedly working on its upcoming phone called Redmi Note 10. And recently, a new Redmi device was spotted on Chinese certification site Tina, which is expected to be Redmi Note 10 smartphone. And if it is true, then according to Tina listing, the Redmi Note 10 will support a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a water drop notch at the top center that will house 16-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to feature a triple camera setup in a squarish module at the top center, including LED flash. The triple rear cameras will include one 48-megapixel main camera, and unfortunately the other two camera details were not mentioned, but it will likely include ultra wide angle lens plus depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by an unnamed octa-core 2.6 GHz processor, which is expected to be MediaTek Dimensity 800 or 800 Plus chipset. The device is listed to pack with 4, 8 or 6 GB of RAM and 64, 128 or 256 GB of internal storage with microSD expansion support up to 2 TB. On the software front, the handset will run on Android 10 and it will come equipped by 4420 mAh battery that is expected to support 22.5 watts fast charging. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is listed to measure at 164.15 by 75.75 by 8.99 mm and it will weigh around 206 grams. Additionally, the upcoming phone is also expected to support an in-display fingerprint sensor, as the leak renders doesn't show the presence of physical fingerprint sensor. Apart from this, there is no other details of Redmi Note 10 has leaked so far, and we'll have to wait for the official confirmation from the company. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Redmi Note 10 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.